Hi, I'm Zigmar and I want to show you just another way how to make a Rubik's Cube in 3D Studio Max. It's just another technique that does not involve any controller constraints and so on. It's just a simpler and more robust and a generic way. For example, it would work with any type of the Rubik's Cube whenever it has side of 3 or 4 or 5 or whichever. We will just show you. It's simple. First I will make a small cube, make it look a bit more rounded. Assign some material I've already got here. Now I will assign a different material for each of the faces. Simple. Okay, done here. Now we got the cube. Now I want to now is the most important part of this tutorial. I need to assign it a different rotation controller, because default earlier controllers just don't work with the Rubik's Cube. After a few rotations the cubes go some strange trajectories and it will never work. So what you need to do is select the rotation controller and a motion tab, hit this button and change the default earlier XYZ rotation controller to DCB rotation. Just remember this name, DCB rotation, and hit OK. Now when you made this DCB rotation, we just copy this cube already with the DCB rotation controller assigned. I will make an array, for example, I want to make the cube of 3, so I made 3 copies, the side of the cube is 20. Now I just copy another time, different dimension, right here, and another one. Here I've got the cube. Now I want to move it center to the center of the coordinates. It would be more easy to work with. Okay, like this. Now the second most important step in this tutorial is to move their pivot to the center, because I want all these subcubes to rotate around the center of the cube. What I need to do is just to move the pivots to the single point, and this point is the center of the cube. So I select Effect Pivot Only, hit the Move button, Tools, Transform Type In, or just hit F12. Now just write here 0, 0, 0. Now all these subcubes got the pivot just in the center of this large cube. We turn this off and we're ready to animate. So to animate we go to the last frame, select all the subcubes. It's important to make the keyframes for all the subcubes, because otherwise it won't work as expected. Now I set a keyframe for all the cubes, move a few frames back, select one row, rotate it 90 degrees. Now I select everything with Ctrl A and hit the set key, go back, select another row, rotate it, select everything, set key, go back, select a row, rotate it, select everything, hit set key, select a row, rotate it. I'll rotate in different direction. select all, set key, go back, rotate it a bit, select all, set key, and here we're almost done. Everything set key. Now, one may think it's fine, but it's not yet. If I run this animation, you will see that this cubes, it looks almost okay, but some motion is kind of stiff, and it's the problem because of this DCB motion. Let me show you. If I select one subcube and go to the motion, you see that this is it's in and is out graph, and it's curved, and it's not what I want to. What I want to is to have it like a strange line by selecting tension is 50. But wait, I don't want to make it for every subcube for every frame. It's pity. So there was another way. I wrote a small simple script that works like this. You select every cube, go to Mac script, open script, and open this DCB set tension script that I wrote. You can download it from the link here in YouTube, the info section. Now, this is really simple script. What it does, it runs for all cubes on all keyframes and just set their tension to 50. Note that there is a 1, 2, 6. So if you here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 keyframes, and if you got the different number, just change this number here, and afterward hit file, evaluate all, and now if you choose any cube, you see that his tension is 50, and his curve nice and straight. Now, if I hit the animation, it works perfectly. For some reason I rotated these two rows at once, but it doesn't really matter. That's all. Here it goes. Happy cube making, and goodbye.